In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a DocHub account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for DocHub. This is the easiest way to quickly find the official website, especially if you do not already have it saved in your bookmarks. When the search results appear, look for the correct DocHub link and click it. Make sure you are selecting the official site so you can safely access your account settings without any confusion. Once you are on the DocHub website, go ahead and sign into your account. Depending on how you normally access DocHub, you may need to enter your login details or continue using a connected sign-in option. Before moving forward, it is a good idea to make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or have used DocHub on a shared device. After signing in, look to the left sidebar and click on Settings. This area contains the main account and profile controls, so this is where you will find the options related to managing or removing your account. Once the settings page opens, click on Account. This section usually includes your personal account preferences, subscription-related information, and account management tools. Now scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Danger Zone. This section is commonly used for actions that are permanent or harder to reverse, so take a moment here and read carefully before continuing. If you have any documents, completed forms, or files in your DocHub account that you may want later, this is the time to make sure everything important has been downloaded or backed up. When you are ready, click Delete Account. This is the final action that begins the account deletion process. In some cases, the platform may ask you to confirm your choice before the deletion is completed. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully so you understand exactly what will happen to your data and account access. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete your DocHub account. Just remember that deleting an account may be permanent, so it's always worth double-checking that you no longer need anything stored there before you complete the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you complete the process quickly and confidently.